A pip is the number 4 points to the right of the decimal. In this scenario, if the price was at 1.0717 and it moved to 1.0718, this would equal 1 pip movement. So if price moved from 1.1025 to 1.1035, this would equal a 10 pip increase in the market price. Your lot size will determine your profit or loss rates when you are trading. For example, if you are trading with 0.1 lot size, this means that it is £1 per pip movement. However, the 4 decimal point does not apply to the Japanese pairs, as it only uses 2 decimals after the point. In Japanese pairs, the pip is the first number to the right after the decimal point. So if GBP/JPY increased from 106.20 to 106.40, it has increased by 20 pips.